Hello everyone. See you again. See you Sok Chia speaking right now. Right now I on the bus on the boat, right? I on the boat and with special girl holding the camera for me right now. Let's see by yourself. Hey. So it feel shy, feel afraid when we're talking in front of the camera. But anyway, I just want. I don't know you can see me or not, but okay, clear right? Yeah, it's clear. Okay. So today is the Saturday. It's the weekend in Phnom Penh, capital city, and I think it's over 9 p.m. right now. So I just want take you to see some view on the boat in front of the Royal Palace, Phnom Penh City. So this is the riverside. This is from Tonlé Sap, Tonlé Sap River. That's the one with the big lake in Cambodia. So I think we can go up to see people. So I don't know how to say it. It look like not my nature. They record video like that, but today I have two people.
Chân dẹp phải tập tay nhảy nhảy cho.
So here's the people ride a boat in front of the Royal Palace, and I think a lot of people who enjoy the on the boat on the rivers. And today is Saturday. There's a lot of people walking or enjoy along the riverside. I think at this one, it's a lot of people. Do you see? A lot of people, a lot of light. You see, after riding a boat, right? After I leave from here, I will be going to see how a lot of people on the road. Someone smile because it look like strength for me. And in the previous video, I just record alone, but today we are working together and just want to relax and also want to create a video for YouTube also. And let's enjoy, and I will let you see some views around here, and I will be update after that. Hope you can see and learning about the riverside and some views at night time in Phnom Penh City. Okay. I thought chung quanh mà vài chân lẹ mặt Says cameraman. So I think this is the last time of the boat because it nearly 10 p.m. right now. It's the night time. And another one, you see, very fast. They come back. They just come back from the. Uh, just I think this boat is. Do you know how much for it? It's just 5,000 real for Cambodian people, and but for foreigner, I'm not sure. Maybe 10,000 real. I'm not sure. I'm not as for foreigners. But a moment when I come along with two people, and the Celtic asked me, "Are you Cambodia?" They asked me like that because I'm not. So what do you think? What I'm look like to nationality? They think I'm not Cambodia, but my face is Cambodia, and they ask me like that. So it's strength. Anyone know? Let comment what I'm look like. What nationality I'm look like. So that's why here it's the Royal Palace. You see, a lot of people. I think the camera you cannot see, but it's Royal Palace. At the night time, I think it's it's beautiful maybe on the camera, but I'm not sure. Let's see together. But right now, a lot of people walking. A moment I'm walking, and so we will take maybe around 1 hours on one round, and they just go and back to the original park. Uh, Needed. Mình lấy tiền gián. So I want drink. Want no money for my beer. Here a little bit expensive. One bottle, small bottle is $2.50. It's 10,000 real. I think it's more expensive than normal, but because it's on the boat, so it's expensive. I think. It, it's I think it's the price normal on the boat like that. It's like a for tourists, not for local people. Normally at normally at at the street food just $1 for small bottle, but here is $250. So it's double. And the one big you can see the one big hotel or building is named Sokha Hotel. It one big hotel in Phnom Penh city, but for me I think it's not a lot of people stay there, even tourists, because maybe it's far, maybe, or expensive. I'm not sure, but the one thing I want to tell you about how Cambodia developed. Do you know right now? I think you can see it two different thing between. I think you can see now. The right hand and the left hand of my hand, you can see. I will show you. Can you show here? Yeah, at that a lot of people, a lot of light. You see, at that side, it's in front of Royal Palace. But at another side, yeah, this side, You see, it's normal. That's why it's normal. No, that's why. Yeah, it's a duck. You know, it's a duck. No high building. No like just a normal village, noble, like a local area, like a remote area. You see, it's it's dark, so it's not far away from. Yeah, it's just blocked by the riverside. Uh, he is like the dragon, maybe like the one like a cross borders of like a cross rivers. This from Mekong and Tonlé Sap. Mekong and Tonlé Sap come and meet together this area. Okay. Oh, I think you see this one. This is it's one size. It also allow develop as well. So, how do you think about Phnom Penh, capital city right now? What do you think at the night time? Let's see. Let's see the one of the big boat coming now. You see, it it's a Hanuman. Hanuman. It's a tourist boat as well. Oh, it's good. It look like not general. It look like private. I think uh, because this one is look like a little bit big boat. So and that size we call Cambodia. We call cockpit. But in English we call Diamond Island. It's a new it's the new development area because you see I think you can see this one not have a lot of building but it have small like make it at there and just I think maybe a few more year maybe a lot of building high sky hotel will be developed because right now it's look like there's just start out a few build a few building now. Okay, thank you so much for your watching. I will continue when I have something interesting.